Hey everybody, Dan Hosfer here for Church Tackle. I just want to share again with you. Everybody out there knows I love the TX22. I love running it with the weight to the back to give it a little bit extra load capacity. I love the lockjaw clip on here. I got easy store set up onto it for when I put them in my lockers. And I like to run the double action flag system, flag up when bit. There's several reasons for that. One reason is if your lines on your planer board are getting kind of close, they'll never get hooked underneath the flag. I'd run into that once in a while. Really, the biggest thing is the bite just really pops out to me. A lot more than having all the flags up and then one drop down. With having them all down and one shoots up, it's just much more of an indicator that you're hit. It's almost like the planer board is raising his hand saying fish on. So that's my personal preference on how to run the double action flag system, but that's why it's double action flag. So if you want to run it the other way, more than welcome. It's just simply switching two spots on the back of the cam right here, and it's back to flag up, down when bit. But this is how I love it. The TX22, by far my favorite board on the market. Just very, very efficient, can pull a lot of weights, doesn't get pulled underwater with big fish very often. With the Church Tackle lockjaw clip, losing boards is no longer an option. They never come off. It's just by far the best board on the market, TX22 Special.